Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. This is Nicole, your go-to Bulacan Realtor. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bibigyan ko kayo ng update guys. So, Bella Vista Phase 1, most recent update, November 2023. So guys, as of today, Bella Vista Phase 1 is sold out. Pero from time to time, nagkakaroon ng reopen like 1 or 2. Ganun siya. Medyo brutal siya guys. Paunahan lang talaga. Kasi po ang Bella Vista Phase 1 ay mayroon ng community. At marami ng ongoing, marami ng nakatayo. So dito guys, actually dito yung area kung saan, ayan o, binungkal na yung lupa dito sa part na to. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Dito kasi guys, itatayo yung amenities, swimming pool, covered court, parks and playground, function hall ni Bella Vista Phase 1 at dito din somewhere around here yung magiging entrada ni Phase 2 na kahit paumpisa pa lang, probably end of this year, January 2024, yung kanyang land development, yan, pag ganon, diba? Pero 70% sold na. Imagine that. So, Bella Vista Phase 1 guys, ang ating mga single attached model dito, si Bettina tsaka si Beatrice, diba? If you are a subscriber or a follower of my channel, alam mo na talaga naman nakita mo na yung mga house tour ko dito, diba guys? Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo na ito si Block 31, Block 32, ayan. So, ito, nandito ako sa area ng mga block na yon, and then, dami ko na nakikitang may mga gate and fence dito, at saka mga, mga lumipat na guys. Hindi ko na mabilang kung ilan na yung mga homeowners na talagang naglipat na po at dito na nakatira sa Bella Vista Phase 1. So, kung ito yung target mo for a faster turnover, kailangan mong magbayad ng either ika-cash out mo yung 20% down payment o kaya naman 5% lang, which is 200,000 plus lang yung ina-down payment mo, and then installment yung another 15% down payment. Pwede po yun up to 23 months sa Phase 1. Pero, itatayo yung unit after full DP. So, disclaimer guys, dapat fully paid ka muna sa down payment bago itayo yung unit mo. Kasi ang unit construction, 6 to 8 months lang naman. So, actually, mabilis lang yung pagtayo ng unit kung tutuusin, diba guys? Can you see that newly built Beatrice model and Bettina model ongoing tapos ayan diba habang nandito ka, pag unit owner ka dito, pwede mong punta-puntahan yung iyong property, yung unit mo, diba? Kung tignan mo kung paano nila ginagawa or gusto mo lang talaga ma-check kasi hands-on ka sa iyong future home, diba guys? So, Bella Vista Phase 1 guys, ito po. Ayan. Nandito ako pumunta sa part na bandang may mga amenities Ayan guys. So, ikot-ikot tayo ng konti. Dito guys sa Phase 1, Bella Vista, meron akong, kung gusto mo ng lote na 100 square meter, kasi ang minimum lot, diba, 80. So, kung gusto mo ng mas malaki, you have to contact me as soon as possible. Kasi, meron akong most probably this month of November na may possibility na meron ma-reopen. Pero, ayoko munang i-hype, diba? Kasi, hindi pa naman siya 100% sure. Pero, basta very special lang siya, and then kailangan kontakin nyo talaga ako guys kasi I might make things happen for you if you are really serious, diba? OFW ka man, locally employed, or virtual assistant, freelancer with proof of income, why not guys? Definitely I can help you, but you have to really reach out to me and contact me directly. Kasi dito guys, bawal mag-walk-ins, okay? You have to schedule tripping with me. The good news is I live very close to Bella Vista kasi I live within the same barangay, Barangay San Vicente. And the good thing about this project guys, 101% non-flooded area, and then very close to the North Luzon Expressway via Philippine Arena exit. Ano lang siya guys, mga ano lang siya, tipong within 15 minutes drive guys, ganun. Tapos very close to Muzon, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, kaya accessible sa SM Malls, accessible sa Future MRT7, malapit siya sa lahat ng kailangan mo. Kaya naman 101% guys, sure ka dito. Another thing that I'd like to emphasize for Bella Vista Phase 1 is, you know, can you see this main road? This is the main subdivision road which is 12-meter wide. Napakaluwag at lawak ng iyong main subdivision road. And the good thing is, kahit na yung standard road niya dito, pag hindi pagka yung sa mga inner roads niya, merong 10-meter wide, may 8-meter wide. Can you imagine that? Did you know that the typical size ng mga subdivision road actually is 6.5 meter na medyo hindi ganun kaluwag, medyo masikip nga konti. Pero dito kahit inner, yung 8-meter wide road nila is okay na okay pa rin. Kaya panalong-panalo ka pa rin in general. 'Di ba guys? So, what are you waiting for? This is online reservation. You don't need to come in here to reserve. Marami pa akong clients dito. Lahat online, pure online reservation lang kami. Mga hindi pa nakikita yung projects nga nung iba. Kasi mga abroad OFW, immigrants, 'di ba? Pero nag-reserve na sila ng kanilang unit dito because, 'di ba, kitang-kita naman nila sa mga videos ko. Ang dami ko pong uploaded videos dito sa project na to. Bettina and Beatrice house tour, 'di ba guys? Ngayon, inikot ko lang kayo sa site and then update lang to ng Bella Vista Phase 1. So, pag nag-Phase 1 ka, ang starting total contract price ni Bettina ay 4.5, si Beatrice ay 4.8, pero again, sold out. Waiting for the open and then paunahan. Pag nag-Phase 2 ka naman, makakasave ka ng 300,000 kasi ang Bettina doon 4.2M plus at ang Beatrice ay 4.8M lang, 4.5 lang, 4.5M lang. So, yun guys, that's what I'm trying to say. So, what are you waiting for? Diba? Just reach out to me and contact me directly if you want to be the next lucky home buyer for Bella Vista by Dolmar Land. My Viber and WhatsApp is there. So, chat nyo lang ako, diba? Para mag-match yung schedule natin. And of course, visit my website. It's my name, www.nicoleshane.com. Okay, guys, for more amazing projects in the area of Bulacan. And messenger link in the description below and all other social media accounts. Nasa description below lang, guys. So, ayan. This is Bella Vista. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, everyone.